I feel like it's about time that I tell you guys how I accidentally became a millionaire. My husband and I have slipped into like phenomenal wealth within the last 2 years. I don't really like talking about money because I didn't come from money. I've never had anything handed to me, so I get kind of like uncomfortable talking about it. I feel like it's mainly because I never want anyone to feel like they have to have money to be happy. 2020, the world shut down and my husband and I decided to get on TikTok for fun. I created a TikTok account that had about 12,000 followers and then it got hacked and deleted and I was devastated. So I was getting ready to give up and then I decided one last time I was gonna try in March, and then within a week I had a viral video hit like 12 million people. Marco and I already knew the consequences of having just one account, so we created 2 separate accounts. This ended up being the best decision that we ever made in our life. So we started growing 2 pages simultaneously, over 10 million followers each. Little did we know we were actually becoming like content machines, and we had no idea that we were going to be able to monetize the platform. We also had no idea that all of the other platforms were going to start competing for our content. We pretty much had a 2-page arsenal that we could then transfer over to Reels and Shorts. Creating content on 2 pages actually set us light years ahead of the algorithms because we had never-ending content. We have over 23 million followers here on TikTok. We also have over 5 million on YouTube and over 1.5 million on Instagram. So instead of getting paid as one creator, we have 2 pages, so it's like we're making double because we run 2 pages. Took all the content that we created like over time in 1 year, repurposed it across every other platform, built those audiences up to now where it's just like a huge powerhouse. So little did we know we created like 8 sources of income in doing so. Nursing did not make me a millionaire, boxing did not make my husband a millionaire, and if you monetize social media the correct way, you can become a millionaire too.